Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple drop. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kabria Darshay, and I am back with another video. Today's video, we're going to be making creamy Chive salmon featuring HelloFresh. So this is my first box. Ooh, y'all, this is what it's supposed to look like. It ain't gonna look like this when you're done, trust me. So this is from HelloFresh, like I stated before. So it gives you everything you need. It gives you this little, or should I say big card. You flip it over to the back and it has your step-by-step instructions. It also has your ingredients and what you're supposed to do. So here we have our ingredients, which is a zucchini, some golden Yukon potatoes, some chives, which are bomb. This is my first time trying it. You're gonna get 2 packets of sour cream. You're gonna get like 8, 9, 10 potatoes, okay? And you're gonna get a packet of Dijon Mustard and some veggie like soy sauce and a lemon. So now we're going to peel our zucchini because ew, we not putting no zucchini without peeling it into our menu, okay? So we're gonna just peel the whole thing, and then after that you're gonna chop it up into circles. You can make it as thin or thick as you please. It is completely up to you, sis. All right, then after that you're gonna chop your potatoes. Your potatoes should be wedges. Make it french fries, not hash browns, okay? Chop them into wedges, and then save some that you can make for hash browns in the morning for breakfast. Boom. So now we have all of our zucchini pieces and potato wedges on a sheet pan, and you're going to put just a little drizzle of olive oil on each. You see I just used the top for the olive oil bottle. You don't want to put too much and drown it in there. Just kind of, you know, do a little drizzle, drizzle, drop, drop. Don't do too much. Add a little bit of red peppers. This was not in the recipe instructions, but I did it anyway. And for some reason my camera didn't want to focus, but you're going to add some pepper as well, because listen, we season our food over here, baby, okay? No games. We need all that flavor. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of soul seasoning as well. I told you I wasn't playing with these seasonings, okay? Of course you can add whatever your little heart desires, but for me these are basically my 3 go-tos, and it be having everything taste bomb. And we cannot forget our parsley. Come on, sis, come through. Okay, so now we're going to add some olive oil in a pan because we about to get cooking, sis. So now we're going to add our 2 pieces of salmon. You're going to want to put them skin down in the pan. And then in the middle here, I'm going to add a little bit of minced garlic. Also, quick tip, don't let that cook too long, y'all. I definitely burnt some of my minced garlic, okay, and I was pissed. All right, and now you're gonna add your seasonings. Same things that I used on the zucchini is basically what I'm gonna use on the salmon, but no red peppers, cause ew. But you know, season it to perfection. Add whatever you want. And excuse my camera for not focusing on these seasonings, y'all, but I mean, y'all get the point. The Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Rocking around, 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 rocking, 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 rocking. So now we're going to add our veggie sauce, which is more like a soy sauce because it was real sticky, y'all, like real sticky. And then after that, you're gonna add half of the small, tiny bag of Dijon mustard. Please notice that I said half, okay? Half. Trust me, you only want to add half. And then after you add that, you're going to add some lemon. And then after you add the lemon, you're going to whisk it all together to make this creamy sauce. Now this is where you're going to start whisking. Let me tell you something. If you don't have a whisk, go to the Dollar Tree near you, pick up one for $1, and problem solved. Because don't use a spoon, don't use a fork, use a whisk. I'm telling you, it'll change your life. So now we're going to add the whole bag of sour cream, okay? The entire thing. This is what's really going to make this sauce like pop. And then you're going to go add the other bag of sour cream. And then after that, you're going to go add your chopped up chives. You know what? I lied. The sour cream is not what makes this sauce. It's the chives, y'all. Okay? And then as you can see, I went back and added some more Dijon, but that was just a terrible idea. Don't do that. And then you're going to add your butter. And again, you can go back, get that dollar whisk that I told you to get from Dollar Tree. And you're going to whisk your sauce all together. Y'all see how beautiful that is? Look at that. Damn, that looked good. I did good, y'all. This is exactly why I told you. Use a whisk, okay? Don't use a spoon. It'll come out looking just like this. Ooh, she pretty. So guys, this is what the finished product looks like. We're just gonna put it all together on a plate. FYI, I really need to stop using styrofoam plates, but I was not making any more dishes, okay? Sis was tired. I am sis. I ain't feel like washing no more dishes. So this is it's just beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. She's gorgeous. Rockin'